Welcome to Platform Engineering Day. This is our 4th edition of the Platform Engineering Day, part of KubeCon for Atlanta this year. We're really glad that so many of you could make it here this morning. I know it's cold outside, and I know it's early, and I know there's travel issues. So well done all of you for making it here. We're very glad to see you. We hope you feel very welcome today, and we hope you have a really great experience. I'm Paula Kennedy.
And I'm Matt Menzenski.
We are 2 of the Platform Engineering co-chairs, and we will be your hosts for today. Sadly, our 3rd co-chair, Stacy, is busy today. She's doing the Open Source Security Con. You'll also see her tomorrow. She's going to be doing one of the keynotes tomorrow on the big stage, so she's kind of a big deal. So she won't be with us today, but she's here in spirit. So Matt and I are going to kick off with a bit of housekeeping.
First, the CNCF has a code of conduct, which we expect all conference participants to follow. If you witness any unacceptable behavior, please report it to a member of the conference staff. The QR code on this slide has more details. Also, captioning and translation services are made available on your personal devices. Again, you can scan the QR code on the slide for more details about how to get started with that.
So we'd like to thank our sponsors for making this event possible. Firstly, thank you to our diamond sponsors, Cortex, IBM, Owner, and vCluster. You're going to hear from all of those folks this morning, and they have booths outside, so please go say hi. Thank you to our platinum sponsors, ChainGuard, Cloudsmith, Harness, InPhysical, Octopus Deploy, Upbound, Syntasso, and Vulture. Again, they all have booths outside, so please go chat to them during the breaks and ask them what they've got available, see what swag they've got. And then finally, thank you to our gold sponsor, ngrok.
Lunch will be provided today down in Hall B1 on level 1. We are on level 5, so that is 4 levels down from here. Coffee, tea, and snacks will be available outside the session rooms throughout the day. At the end of the day today, there is an evening reception where you can chat and have a drink with other co-located event attendees. That event starts at around 5:30 p.m. That is immediately after we wrap up closing remarks here. There is a drink ticket for this event on your conference badge.
OK, so I want to tell a quick story about how we got here today. How many people have been to a Platform Engineering Day before? Oh, yeah, quite a few. Great. So this is actually our 4th edition, as mentioned. The original idea for running a Platform Engineering Day actually came about at KubeCon Amsterdam in 2023. And it came from a whole bunch of conversations in the community where we were talking about how the platform engineering track for KubeCon itself tends to focus quite a lot on tooling and some of the more technical solutions. And we were looking for a space to share some more information around the ideas and the principles and the practices around platform engineering itself. And so Stacy and I put together a proposal to run a platform engineering co-located day. And we submitted it to the CNCF, and luckily it got accepted. And so that's really the idea of this event. It's more focused on kind of what is platform engineering, how to be good at platform engineering. It's more around the principles and the holistic solutions. And so this is our 4th edition. It's the 2nd time that we're running it as 2 tracks. So we did the same in London and now here. And we've also been accepted to run the same Colo Day in Amsterdam next year. So if you're coming over to Europe next year, then hopefully we will see you there.
On this slide, we have the running order for today's schedule. Again, as Paula said, Platform Engineering Day this year is a 2-track event. So this room is Thomas Murphy Ballroom 2-3. Next door is Thomas Murphy Ballroom 1. There are different sessions happening in each of the 2 rooms. You may have to make some hard choices about what you're going to attend in person. But remember that everything here is recorded and will be made available online after. So if you miss something because you're attending the other room, you will be able to see it. Also, you can easily move between the rooms throughout the day. On behalf of the program co-chairs, we would like to extend a very big thank you to everyone who submitted to the CFP for this event. We also want to say a very big thank you to the members of the program committee who reviewed all the CFP submissions and had to make some hard decisions about what to include today. But we are very proud of this schedule. We're excited to share all these sessions with you. It's going to be a great day.
If you've been to one of our platform engineering days before, you'll know that normally we kick off with an update from the group formerly known as the Platforms Working Group. Now, there's been some changes under the CNCF, and now that group has effectively reformed as the Cloud Native Platform Engineering Community. So this is how you can get involved. There's lots of folks from the group here this week. They're running the platform coffee mornings every morning in the ground floor at the Signia Hilton, which is just next door. You can scan this QR code, and it will give you more information about ways you can get involved. There's a Slack channel. There are regular online meetups. There's lots and lots of different ways for you to get involved with that community. And also, our first talk after the morning coffee break in the room next door will be from Chris and Corbin, and they're going to be talking about a little bit more information about this, and also about the platform engineering assessment model. So you can go next door if you want to hear more about that. Well, like I say, if you want to get more involved into this community, scan this QR code, and you'll find out more information.